Good morning, students. Today we are going to start practice set number 13. In earlier practice sets, we learned how we have to solve word problem based on the addition as well as subtraction. Now, in this practice set, we have a word problem like that. In the same sum, we have to do addition as well as subtraction also. So let's see how we are going to identify that. The first we have to read the sum carefully and try to understand which two numbers, which two things given, whatever in the questions we are going to do the addition and after that do the subtraction. So let's see. Here we have the practice set number 13, question number 1. The forest department planted 23,078 trees. Total number of planted trees are 23,078. Then of Khair, this is the number of trees of which tree? Of the Khair. And 19,476 of Behda. So these two kinds of the trees we have the forest department planted beside trees of several other kinds. Beside trees means the others are other kinds of the trees. If the department planted 50,000 trees altogether and the forest department planted total 50,000 of the trees altogether, so how many trees were neither of Khair nor Behda? So first here we have the 23,078 of the Khair, 19,476 of Behda, and total number of plant is 50,000. So first we are going to do the addition of these two types of the trees. So let's start. The first one is 23,078, that is trees of Khair, and the second number we have 19,476, that is trees of Behda, and these two we are going to do the addition. Yes, we learned how we are going to do the addition. 8 plus 6, that is 14. 1 we have to carry to the next number at the place of 10th digit. 7 plus 7, 14, plus 1, 15. 1 carry, 1 plus 0, 1, plus 4, 5. 3 plus 9, 12. 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. That is 42,554 trees of Khair and Behda. Both kind of trees are 42,554. And now you can see here we have the total number of trees, that is 50,000. So 50,000, that is total planted trees. And after that we are going to do the subtraction of these trees of Khair and Behda, that is 42,554, that is trees of Khair and Behda. Now here we have to do the subtraction. The first one, here always we are starting from the unit place. Now we cannot subtract 4 from 0, so it borrow 1 from the next number, next also the 0, it takes to the next number, here also we have 0, it takes to the next number, here also we have 0. So this 5 gives 1 to this will become 10 and this 5 become 4. Now this 10 give 1 to the next number, that will become 10 and this become 9. Now this 10 gives 1 to this one, this will become 10 and this will become 9. The same thing over here, it will become 10 and this will become 9. So we can say 10 minus 6, 4, 6, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 4, 0. We can say 7446. That is nothing else. That is the other kinds of trees. That is other kinds of trees, or we can say other trees. Therefore, we have to write the answer. Answer should be always in that form what they are asking. How many trees were neither of Khair nor Beda? So we can write 7446 trees are neither of Khair nor Beda. So this way we can write our answer. Yes. So this way we have to read the sum and do the addition, then subtraction, will get our answer. Now move for the next sum. That is, a city has a population of 37,96,478. In this include 11,24,069 men. 11,24,069 men and 10,96,478 of women. What is the number of children in the city? As we learn, first the total population is given 37,96,478 and population of men is given 11,24,069. Population of women is given. So if you remember, in the first sum we added the first two numbers. That's not compulsory we have to add first two numbers. Just we are going to do the addition or subtraction regarding the condition of the sum. So here we are going to do the addition of the number of men and number of women. Let's start. The first number we have 11,24,069, that is number of men. Then 10,96,478, number of women. We have to do the addition of these two, number of men and number of women. 9 plus 8, 17, 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 1 carry, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 9, 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2 and 0, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So here we got 22,20,547, that is number of men and women. We got the number of men and women and we have the total number of population. Now we can easily find out the number of children. So 37,96,478, that is total population. Yes. Then we have 22,20,547, number of men and women. Now we can do the subtraction over here. See, 8 minus 7, 1, 7 minus 4, 3, 4 minus 5. Can we do the subtraction? No. We have to borrow 1 from the next number. It will become 5 and 4 become 14. 14 minus 5, 9. 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. So this way we can find 15,75,931. That is the number of children. So this way we can find the number of children. Now we have to write the answer. They ask what is the number of children in the city. So we got that number of children, that is 15,75,931 children are in the city. So this way we can write our answer. Answer is most important in each every kind of the word problem. So you should be careful regarding that. Now proceed for the next sum. Sum number 3. The management of certain factory had 25,40,600 rupees in the labor welfare fund. This amount is the labor welfare fund a management have of a factory. From this fund 12,37,865 rupees were used for medical expenses. This amount is used for medical expenses, and 8,42,317 rupees were spent on the education of workers' children, and the remaining was put aside for canteen. How much money was put aside for canteen? So let's start. Here you can see these 2 rupees expend for the medical expense and this rupees expend for the education of the workers' children. If we add these 2 and the answer of these 2 we have to subtract from the total number of the fund of labor welfare. So we can easily find out the how much of the amount should be remain. So let's start. 12,37,865. This is used for medical expenses. Yes. The next one is 8,42,317. That is education of workers' children. Now we have to do the addition of these 2. Let's start. 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 8, 10, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. That is 20,80,182. That is medical expenses and education of workers' children. Yes, we did that. After that we have the total fund, that is nothing else 25,40,600. that is total labor fund, and we have subtract from this 20,80,182. that is medical expenses and education of workers' children. You can write in short. Now do the subtraction of this. Here we cannot subtract 2 from 0, so same thing, it went to the next digit number and borrow. Here next one also 0, it went to the next one. This 6 become 5 and 0 become 10. Now this 10 become 9 and this 0 become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 0 minus 0, 0. Again this 4 borrow 1 from this 5. 5 become 4, 4 become 14. 14 minus 8, 6. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So it will become 4,60,418. That is what that is put, or we can say remaining amount. So we can write the answer. But how much money was put aside? 4,60,418 rupees put a side for canteen. This way we can write the answer. So when we have a word problem and in that we have a lot of the digits, we should come to know here we have to do the addition as well as subtraction. And there is no any trick, just you have to read the sum and get the condition of what they are asking, and you can find out the solution by adding or the subtracting. So here you have the homework for today. Practice set number 13. What we did today? We did the question number 1, 2 and 3. One question is remained, that is question number 4. That you have to solve by yourself as your homework. And next thing we have to start in next video. Thank you.